Hello guys, my name is Arshad. This video is a walkthrough of C. You can call it as a dashboard app. It provides the user with three basic services. One is to upload and download a file, download files. Second is to it's kind of like a messaging chat system. And the third one is you can book your appointments with certain people. So yeah, you can see the it's a command line. So each of these applications, there are files associated binary files, and when the server is being run for the first time, these files are created batch file. Okay, and each binary file has a bit vector at the start, which tells the status about the free space in the file. While implementing the what you can say the blob store, what I did is the file is divided into parts, into blocks of 4K. So whenever you are uploading or downloading, you are downloading or uploading 4 at a time, and at the end it is concatenated and you get the file. Coming to the message store has some constraints, like there were at max 100 categories and each category could have at max 100 message. So my implementation was simple. It was, if this is a category can hold up to 500 page offsets, and since a message could have reply, the message structure would have again a pointer to a reply. The reply be in the form of a linked list. The structure for the message and the reply, there was only one field called you can flag when shares a message from a reply. So, and reply and adding a message were relatively simple, but the challenge when say a message is deleted, we have to update vector, and then we should make sure that the messages are linear. Like when you're trying to display the messages, they come in a linear order. So when there is a gap in between, you get garbage values. So whenever we were deleting a message, we had to shift the remaining messages back. And then when we were trying to delete a reply, similar thing could be done. Like you had to update the bit vector to ensure that this the memory has to be treated as free, and then you have to updates. Coming to the calendar store, its implementation was similar to that of a messaging app. Here you would have categories like doctors, things, and inside there you could have you had the ability to persons, and for a particular person you can see the appointments and you can book the appointment. So in this case there were some validations to be done. So what I did is I defined a structure date, and I wrote comparison functions, and to get the current date I used local time, that is a predefined function. And all this age, uploading a file, everything has to be done through, and this there's multiple commands. So let me try running the app. When I first when I first opened the client, it asked me to log in or sign up. I use sign up. I'll try to upload a file. Now I have a MP4 file mode. You can see that the file has been uploaded, and when you download the file, user is given an ID. The file you have downloaded is most So the user I just signed up has an ID too, and you have the file here. Now coming to the message, the category, let us say C, then you can select the category, and then you can add a reply. See, now coming to the there are some hard-coded categories. Now let's say I'm adding so you can see that now you can go ahead and add an appointment. So you can give the date of appointment. Let us say we're booking a day. Now you can view the appointments and the person has been booked for that day. Let's try to book him on the same date. Here you go. It says that you cannot book it because it's already booked. And the other constraint was you cannot add take an appointment for more than 6 months. So let us try booking for 2017. So that is the demo, and if you have any queries, comments, you can comment in the comment section. You can subscribe to videos. Thank you.